Okay. And I'm John Axel Rain Amrawit, your one and only lead guitarist.
Wait a minute now, wait a minute, wait a minute now. Wait.
Hi guys.
What's up?
Yeah.
Oh, my question.
Okay.
Oh, number one.
Anong question natin, guys?
What's the band's name and what's the story behind it?
JALK band. Because
Sorry.
This story kasi is
The story.
like an initial.
yes,
J is for
J
A.
A
B C.
L
L is for yeah.
and K behind me.
Sa mga album.
Kung tayo talaga, kung tayo talaga.
It's like indie and rock.
Yes, more on rock.
Pero kaming dalawa parang indie. Like, minsan nag-OPM.
Maraming OPM.
Same.
Maraming. Puro seal.
Oh, OPM.
Pero mostly,
Oo, nasigi na tapos Buwan, tas Pasilyo. Yes.
more on indie kasi. Number 3, how did the band member that what is united? Ano, kilala ko sila Access on dati.
Yes.
It's like 2 years ago.
Bagito pa ako nun, guys.
I was guitarist. She was he was the guitar and then
Yes.
okay kami. And then 1 year I met Jacob. He was in turn left and ni-replace namin si Rian as a
Yeah, we replaced Eliana because
Kasabi ko.
kasi hindi siya masyadong active.
In 600 meters, make a U-turn in Santo
Dito
Tomas.
na, oh. Dito tapos lahat ng questions.
Number 5.
Okay na.
Number 5.
Yes, red light say bus.
Wala pa.
Alin? Okay. And I'm John Axel Rain Amrawit, your one and only lead guitarist of the band.
How did you get to music and how did you start to
Okay, so story time, guys. Nung baby pa ako, yung daddy ko, pinapatulog ako sa rock music. Yes, daddy ko is into rock music din. So, nag-gitara ako. At the same time, doon ko na-achieve yung mga pangarap kong tugtugin, such as Highway Star by Deep Purple. Credits to Jacob for the drums. Credits to Lian for the vocals, and credits to me sa guitar solo. Actually, credits sa lahat.
What's your favorite
Yes.
part of being in the band and what do you enjoy most about that?
Jamie!
Johnny!
Begin!
Peggy na hindi matapos-tapos!
Yay! Here we go!
Do you have any musical influences or idols? Oh,
Okay, kayo muna, guys.
bakit kasi seal to yun?
Ah, wow. Ako naman si Steve Vai, guitar virtuoso Steve Vai.
si Dennis Julia.
Nice one. Yun, no?
Mostly may ibang pigment foods. Si Mariah Carey, Rockstar 2, Hot Dog, Cinderella,
How do you
Anong,
Let's try
ano yun?
number 6. How they balance individual contributors with demands overall issue. That's it.
Okay, so I balance this. Paano ko magsabihin?
Sorry guys.
So,
Huli lang kayo.
I balance my individual contribution by bakit? I see.
Di ang board ko. Excited na kayo.
Have you faced any challenges or setbacks in your music career? How did you overcome it? Kiana. Ate Kiana pala.
Ayan na. Let's go.
Have you faced
Saan number?
7?
Have you faced challenges like family and music career? Wala naman masyado. Pero mostly strict challenge. Like, kailangan kasi, I remember nung nasa choir, pina-exercise namin ni sir na magpo-push up kami ng hanggang 50. Tapos may may meds pa ako na. And then, I told him na bawal. Pero, she said, you should.
You go.
Ano ikaw? Number 7.
Number 7.
Uy, depende sila Manila.
Setbacks. Wala naman yung academics. Wala naman ako.
Ano
Kailangan ko i-balance. Kailangan stop kasi i-balance.
You want makeup?
Make a U-turn in Santo Tomas, then turn right.
Kaya.
Sa akin wala. Ikaw.
Sa akin naman, nung bagito pa ako, yes, madam. Bagito, ibig sabihin, newbie. Kumbaga. Dati, nung bagito pa ako, guys, alam nyo, nahihirapan ako sa mga guitar solo ng mga metal, like yung Crazy Train, Highway Star. Pero ngayon, panis na sa akin eh. Smells like Teen Spirit nga, hindi ko na tinutugtog kasi kahit makalimutan ko yun, you know. So easy, very very easy talaga. Matutugtog ko yun kahit nakapikit. Okay.
What's next for you as a personal?
Wow, limousine.
O ano?
Ano yun?
Number 10?
What's next for you as a musician? Any personal goals or aspirations?
Maging success.
Maging Bini!
We're almost there na guys.
Okay, so
Do you have any projects outside of outside of the band? Yan ba? Ako wala eh.
projects, wala rin. To be honest, wala rin sa akin.
Okay, nandito na tayo.
Yes. Stay tuned for more, guys. Stay tuned.
I haven't been there.
Kung tayo talaga, kung tayo talaga,
Kaya nga lahat ng mga babae sa school ako ang hinahabol eh.